Every day across the planet, billions of chickens move through a system so vast it feeds the world, and so intricate that few truly understand it. From quiet rural farms to roaring industrial plants, this is the hidden machinery behind one of humanity's most consumed sources of protein. It begins in silence, in the soft hum of incubators where millions of eggs wait to hatch. Within days, tiny lives emerge, destined to grow faster than nature ever intended. Behind every number lies a network of farmers, machines, and unseen hands, working in perfect rhythm to sustain global demand. But beyond the statistics and conveyor belts lies a story of transformation, of how living creatures become the food that fuels cities, economies, and families. It's a process measured not just in tons of meat, but in the technology, efficiency, and ethical questions that shape our modern appetite. As we journey from the tranquil fields of chicken farms to the precision-driven heart of processing factories, we'll uncover how billions of birds are raised, harvested, and transformed, revealing a system built on scale, speed, and survival. This is not just the story of food production. It's the story of human innovation, consumption, and conscience, intertwined in the journey from farm to factory. Every journey begins long before the factory floor, in the quiet, controlled environments of hatcheries and farms spread across continents. Here, billions of chicks are born each year, bred from generations of selective science and efficiency. The scale is staggering. In some regions, entire towns exist solely to sustain the poultry cycle, from feed mills to breeding houses and transport routes connecting farm to plant. Modern chicken production is no longer just agriculture, it's a global network of precision. In the US, Brazil, China, and beyond, each egg, hatch, and feed formula is tracked, optimized, and standardized. Every bird is part of a larger system, one designed to feed a growing population and keep food costs stable in an unpredictable world. Yet, behind this efficiency lies a deeper story of how one of nature's most common creatures became the foundation of an industry worth hundreds of billions. Understanding where these chickens come from and how they're raised isn't just about food production. It's about recognizing the intricate balance between demand, sustainability, and humanity's relentless pursuit of progress. Once the chickens reach maturity, the journey from farm to factory begins, a process orchestrated with astonishing precision. Across thousands of farms, specialized transport systems collect birds in climate-controlled trucks, ensuring minimal stress and maintaining quality before arrival. Timing is everything. Every minute is scheduled to match production demands at processing facilities that handle tens of thousands of chickens per hour. Upon arrival, the birds are carefully unloaded, inspected, and sorted according to strict weight and health standards. Automated systems now do what once required entire teams, scanning, grading, and channeling each bird into the right processing line. The goal, efficiency without compromising safety. At this stage, biosecurity and hygiene protocols are uncompromising. Workers follow rigorous sanitation procedures, and machinery is sterilized between cycles. Every crate, every conveyor, every hand movement is part of a synchronized routine, refined by decades of industrial evolution. What seems like a simple transfer from farm to factory is, in truth, the heartbeat of an enormous system, one that ensures billions of chickens move seamlessly through the world's food chain each year. Behind the hum of conveyors and the rhythm of machines lies the quiet choreography that keeps this global supply running with clockwork precision. Here, efficiency rules. Inside the towering walls of the processing plants, thousands of automated systems move in synchronized rhythm, a dance of metal, motion, and machine precision. The chickens, once carefully sorted and prepared, now enter a highly controlled environment where temperature, timing, and technology converge. Mechanical arms and conveyor belts handle each step with astonishing accuracy. Feather removal, cleaning, and portioning are executed at lightning speed, not by chaos, but by a calculated flow that ensures consistency and hygiene. It's a world where every second counts, and every process is designed for both productivity and safety. Beneath the hum of machines lies a blend of science and engineering. Cooling systems preserve freshness, while sterilization lines eliminate contamination. This is the point where biology meets industry, and nature's creation becomes a standardized product ready for global distribution. Behind the seamless flow is a quiet truth. Precision isn't just about speed, it's about respect. For food, for safety, and for the countless hands and minds ensuring that billions of chickens complete their journey with purpose and care. After the intense rhythm of primary processing comes the stage where precision becomes artistry. This is where the chicken, once part of a massive mechanical flow, meets the hands of refinement. Each piece is inspected, trimmed, and portioned according to exact standards. Here, the balance between automation and human expertise defines the quality of what will soon reach global markets. Advanced grading systems scan every cut, ensuring uniform size, color, and weight. Temperature-controlled lines maintain freshness, while skilled workers oversee packaging, adjusting, labeling, and sealing with meticulous care. Even the smallest imperfection is detected because in this stage, perfection is not optional. It's expected. From boneless fillets destined for restaurants to neatly packed wings for grocery shelves, everything undergoes careful treatment. Hygiene protocols are at their peak. Sterile tools, filtered air, and precise timing ensure that the product remains clean, safe, and visually flawless. This is where the journey transforms from industry to identity. What began as a humble farm animal is now shaped into a symbol of consistency, efficiency, and modern food engineering. Beneath the quiet hum of machines lies a hidden dedication to feed millions with quality and to uphold the invisible promise behind every package. Before any product leaves the factory floor, it must pass through a final and unrelenting stage: quality and purpose. In this realm, precision meets responsibility. Every batch is checked, tested, and verified under the keen eyes of inspectors and machines that never blink. From bacterial swabs and temperature checks to texture and color assessments, nothing escapes the scrutiny of modern food science. Here, data replaces guesswork. Each sample tells a story of cleanliness, consistency, and compliance. A single misstep can halt production because one error can ripple through thousands of meals. The process may look sterile, but behind the white coats and blinking monitors lies something deeply human: a commitment to trust. Once approved, the products are sorted by destination. Some are packed for domestic kitchens, others are flash frozen for export, feeding millions across borders. Every label, every seal, is a quiet promise that what's inside has met the world's highest standards. But quality isn't only about safety, it's also about purpose. It's the reflection of every hand that raised, processed, and protected the product. The chicken, once a symbol of rural life, now represents global sustenance, connecting farmers, workers, and families through shared nourishment. As conveyor belts slow and the final boxes are sealed, the hum of the factory becomes almost poetic, a symphony of precision, care, and quiet pride. Each packaged piece carries not just food, but the culmination of an enormous effort. The proof that, in an industry built on billions, excellence still begins with intention. From the first hatchlings in sunlit coops to the final inspection on the factory line, the journey of billions of chickens is a story of transformation, precision, and care on an unprecedented scale. What began as a simple life on the farm becomes nourishment for millions, a reminder of the invisible effort behind every meal. In every stage, raising, sorting, processing, refining, and testing, there is a delicate balance of science and human diligence. Machines hum, workers focus, and standards hold firm, all woven into a chain of accountability and purpose. It is here that raw nature is elevated and humble beginnings are transformed into global sustenance. The journey invites reflection. Beyond numbers and machinery, it is a testament to interconnection. If this deep dive sparked your curiosity, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you're always with us as we explore how things are made, step by step, start to finish.